Developing news in the battle over hundreds of thousands of ballots seized by Riverside County Sheriff Chad Bianco. He says he's investigating alleged election irregularities.
Several groups, including California Attorney General Bonta, have sued to stop Bianco and to get the ballots back. CBS LA political reporter Tom Waite, Bianco fired back late today, and he wants Bonta thrown off the case.
Right, and we're getting some new insights into all this because we're getting our first look at some of the court documents filed with the California Supreme Court. So in that court filing we were just talking about with the state Supreme Court, Sheriff Bianco claims he had probable cause to seize the ballots through criminal warrants, but those warrants remain under seal. And tonight, CBS Los Angeles, along with other media organizations, are asking a court to unseal those warrants and reveal what Bianco told the court to secure them. Riverside County Sheriff Chad Bianco, in a filing with the state Supreme Court through his attorney, says the Attorney General should not be able to shut down his ballot investigation, which is based on a finding of probable cause of a crime. The court filing was obtained by Democracy Docket. Bianco seized more than 600,000 ballots from last fall's Prop 50 special election based on information from a citizens group claiming there were 45,000 questionable votes. The Riverside County Registrar disputes those claims, saying the citizens group's tabulation was based on faulty methods and information.
Everything is on hold given the three different lawsuits, right? Two in the California Supreme Court and one in Superior Court.
Bianco's attorney in the filing says Sheriff Bianco, who is also a leading GOP candidate for governor, agreed to pause the count of the ballots until judges weigh in on the lawsuits from the state attorney general, Bonta, and UCLA's Voting Rights Project. The lawsuits argue Bianco illegally seized the ballots using criminal warrants, which remain under seal. CBS Los Angeles, along with other media organizations, filed a motion to unseal those warrants.
To me, it is surely unprecedented. I, from the very beginning, asked about the validity, the legal validity of that. I've never really seen law enforcement be involved and insert itself in the electoral process.
Sheriff Bianco says he's not reviewing ballots, he's just counting them. Critics say ballot counts should be done by nonpartisan elections officials. Bianco has a history of making claims about election fraud without evidence. He's denied repeated requests for an interview with us.
I hope that it gets resolved quickly, soon. I hope the ballots are returned to the Registrar of Voters where they belong.
Sheriff Bianco will not reveal where the ballots are being stored. Riverside County Supervisor Jose Medina, who you just heard from there, questions whether the count is really a political stunt to bolster Bianco's bid for governor. Bianco has denied that accusation, so we'll wait and see. The judges in both the county case and the Supreme Court case haven't weighed in yet. We'll see what they say. Maybe we'll get some word.
And know where the ballots are, right?
Or where the ballots are.
Exactly. Incredible.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tom.
Thanks.